Khadi, Khadi, the fabric so fine, a symbol of freedom in every line. Hand woven with care, by hands so wise, Khadi, Khadi, it's India's prize. Khadi, Khadi, oh so grand, in every thread, it takes a stand. It's the cloth of our nation, pure and true, Khadi, Khadi, we salute you. Khadi in the morning, Khadi in the night, it's the fabric that makes everything right. From saris to shirts and jackets so cool, Khadi, Khadi, the golden rule. Khadi, Khadi, so versatile in fashion and comfort, it's got the style. With Khadi, we are trendy and eco-wise, Khadi, Khadi, a fashionable prize. Khadi, Khadi, wear it with pride, it's a symbol of our heritage, a joyful ride. A fabric so pure, so eco-friendly. Khadi, Khadi, it's a trend so trendy. Khadi, Khadi, a sustainable way to be stylish and eco-conscious every day. From the past to the future, side by side, Khadi, Khadi, wear it with pride. Khadi, Khadi, a timeless grace. In its elegance, we find our place. From weddings to work and casual to smart, Khadi, Khadi, it's a work of art. Khadi, Khadi, in every choice, it's the fabric that makes our hearts rejoice. With Khadi, we are classic and eco-friendly. Khadi, Khadi, it's simply trendy. Khadi, Khadi, let's raise our voice. It's our sustainable choice. It's our first choice. From head to toe, in Khadi we stand. Hand-woven fashion, isn't it just grand? Khadi, Khadi, in every way, eco-friendly fashion, hip and grey. For the earth and our style, side by side, Khadi, Khadi, our pride and guide.